सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कार। अद्यतनी कक्षा सप्तविंशत्युत्तरचतुश्शततमी 427 क्लास टुडे जुलै मासस्य षष्ठदिनाङ्कः। एतावत्पर्यन्तं मन्ये 22 श्लोकाः अस्माभिः पठिताः सन्ति। गीतासङ्ग्रह इति नाम्नः पुस्तकस्य एतावत्। अद्य तु त्रयोविंशतितमः श्लोकः पठनीयः। वस्तुतः अयं श्लोकः गीतायां 13 अध्याये 39तमः श्लोकः वर्तते। श्रीनिवास श्लोकः पठ्यताम्।
प्रकृत्यैव च कर्माणि
क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः यः पश्यति तदात्मानम् अकर्तारं न स पश्यति। अकर्तारम् इति पदच्छेदं कुर्मः। प्रकृत्या एव च कर्माणि क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः यः पश्यति तथा आत्मानम् अकर्तारं सः पश्यति इति। पुनः यः पश्यति स पश्यति इति प्रयोगः इति शब्दानां प्रयोगः पुनः अपि आगतम्। अस्मिन् श्लोके प्रयोगः आगतः। एतादृश एव समानः श्लोकः कश्चन वर्तते। प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि कर्माणि सर्वशः इति। अहं किञ्चित् दृष्ट्वा कथयामि। आगामि प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि तृतीय अध्याये अस्ति। प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि तृतीय अध्याये 27तमः श्लोकः। तृतीय अध्याये एतादृश एव समान श्लोकः वर्तते। श्लोकम् एवमस्ति। प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढात्मा कर्ता अहमिति मन्यते। प्रकृतेः गुणैः क्रियमाणानि कर्माणि सर्वशः सर्वथा। प्रकृतेः गुणैः क्रियमाणानि कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढात्मा अहंकारेण विमूढात्मा कर्ता अहं कर्ता इति मन्यते। वस्तुतः प्रकृतेः गुणैः एव सर्वाण्यपि कर्माणि सम्पन्नानि भवन्ति। तत्र मनुष्यस्य न कोऽपि कर्तृत्वं किमपि न कर्तृत्वं तत्र वर्तते इति श्लोकस्य अर्थः वर्तते। प्रकृतेः गुणैः प्रकृतेः तत्र त्रयः गुणाः सन्ति। सत्वरज तमो गुणाः। एतेषु त्रिषु गुणेषु ये मानवाः येन केनापि एकेन गुणेन तत्र गुणभूयिष्ठ दृश्यते यस्मिन् पुरुषे। यदि कश्चित् सत्वगुणसम्पन्नः वर्तते तर्हि तादृशमेव तत्र कर्म सम्पद्यते। यदि कश्चित् रजोगुणसम्पन्नः भवति तर्हि तत्तुल्यं कर्म तत्र सम्भवति। एतत् सर्वमपि प्रकृतेः गुणैः सम्पन्नानि भवन्ति इति क्रियमाणानि भवन्ति। यदि मनुष्यः मानवः अहं कर्ता इति मन्यते स मूढ इति। यतो हि प्रकृतिः एतानि कर्माणि सम्पादयति इति अत्रापि तादृश एव श्लोकः दृश्यते। इदानीं पदच्छेदः कृतः खलु। पदपरिचयं कुर्मः। श्रीनिवास। प्रकृत्या निकारान्तः शीघ्रं स्त्रीलिङ्ग। प्रकृतिः इति शब्दः मतिः शब्दवत्। मतिः मतिं मत्या इति तृतीयायां मत्या इति भवति प्रकृत्या एव अव्ययं च अव्ययं कर्माणि
कर्मं शब्दः
नकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्गे जान स्मरति खलु कर्म कर्मणि
कर्माणि
कर्म कर्मणि कर्माणि कर्मणा कर्मभ्यां कर्मभिः कर्मणे कर्मभ्यां कर्मभ्यः कर्मणः कर्मभ्यां कर्मभ्यः कर्मणः कर्मणोः कर्मणां कर्मणि कर्मणोः कर्मसु इति सप्तसु विभक्तिषु रूपाणि भवन्ति क्रियमाणानि कर्म इति तत्र प्रधान पदं नामवाचकं तस्य विशेषणत्वेन क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः अव्ययं यः पश्यति पुल्लिङ्गं कर्तरि लट् तथा आत्मानं अकर्तारं क्षम्यताम् अत्र कश्चन दोषः वर्तते अनहङ्कारः इति परन्तु कस्मात् एतत् एषः दोषः सम्प्राप्तः अहं न जाने परन्तु ओके इट् हेस् टु बि करेक्टेड् एस् सः इट् शुड् बि सः देन् इट् बिकम् तद् शब्द दकारान्तः तमा एकवचन अनहङ्कारः समो इट् हेस् कम् औट् देर् इट्स् अ मिस्टेक् मेक् इट् सः रीड् इट् एस् सः सः तद् दकारान्त सर्वनाम शब्द प्रथमा एकवचनं पश्यति पुनः इट्स ऑलरेडी देयर सो प्लीज मेक ए करेक्शन anahankarah is by mistake printed here saha should be there in the place of that you can see that saha in the sloka saha pashyati sloka last but one word akankszam pashyamah pashyati sees observes knows realizes you can say anything literally means sees seeing is believing we say na seeing is believing seeing is realizing also Kani pashyati, what does he see? Karmani pashyati. Actions, he sees the action. Kidrushani karmani pashyati. What type of actions does a man see? Actions being performed. He sees the actions being performed. Kriyamanani karmani pashyati. Kaya kriyamanani karmani pashyati. He sees the actions being performed by what? Kaya. प्रकृत्या एव क्रियमाणानि अर्थः कः को अर्थः अत्र प्रकृतिः एव कर्ता वयं केवलं करणं तत्र मनुष्याः सर्वेपि करणानि केवलं मनुष्यः करणमेव एतेन मनुष्येन कर्ता प्रकृतिः कारयति किं कारयति कर्माणि कारयति मनुष्येन कर्माणि क्रियन्ते न तु मनुष्यः कर्माणि करोति इति अंडरस्टैंड श्रीनिवास कया मीन्स बाय व्हाट प्रकृत्या एव बाय नेचर इटसेल्फ सो दिस इज ऑल a big drama now what we see our people should understand we should this philosophy is seeing through the working of the nature like scientists can see the secrets of the nature by their observation experimentation etc our rishis also penetrated their vision penetrated through the nature and they came to know these laws it is only the nature that is working out beautiful statement Srinivas kena prakarena prakrutya kriyamanani karmani by what form are these actions being performed done by the nature sarvashah means sarvaihi prakaraihi by all methods prakrutya by nature kriyamanani these actions are performed by all means he sees them pashyati okay punascha kam pashyati again what does he see then he finds himself kidrusham atmanam pashyati what type of self does he find himself akartaram atmanam pashyati he finds then himself as a non-doer, akartaram. Now once a man realizes Prakriti is doing the action, I am observing, Prakriti is doing, so am I karta or akarta? Akarta. So tadanim manushyaha atmanam akartaram manyati. Aham na karomi parantu prakriti sarvam karoti iti yada tat jnanam asmin etasmin purushe jayate sa purushah atmanam akartaram iti manyate. Kaha pashyati? Yaha manushyahu. Whichever man sees this secret of nature, we should say this is the secret of nature. Secret behind the working of nature. Nature is working. Etadrusha manushya kim karoti? Such a man, what does he do? He only sees in reality. He only understands the working of nature in reality. So this poem, the poem which I just quoted, third chapter, Prakritehi, Gunaihi, Karmani, etc., both mean the same thing, almost. So Anvayartham Patatu Srinivas.
Yahacha karmani sarvashah prakrutya eva priyamanani tatha atmanam akartaram pashyati saha vastutah pashyati.
Yaha manavaha manushyaha, and also whichever man, karmani, action, sarvashah, sarvaihi prakaraihi, prakrutya eva kriyamanani, are being performed, done by the nature itself. Tatha atmanam, then he considers himself akartaram pashyati, finds himself as a non-doer. Saha, such a person, vastutaha, in reality, pashyati, he only sees, he only understands this secret of nature. Now Prakriti, what is Prakriti? Prakriti here? Maya. Prakriti hi bhagavato maya, trigunatmika. Prakriti Bhagavatah Narayanasya Maya Trigunatmika, Trigunaihi Sampanna, Trigunatmika, Ataha Trigunatmika, Mayam tu Prakrutim Vidyat, Mayam tu Prakrutim Vidyat. Maya should be known as Prakriti. Daivihi Esha Gunamayi Mama Maya Duratya. Gata Kakshayam api ayam sloka smaritah maya. दैवीहि एषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया इति गीता एव तत्र अध्यायं न स्मरामि. सप्तमाध्याये चतुर्दशमः श्लोकः. दैवीहि एषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते. ये मानवाः मनुष्याः मामेव प्रपद्यन्ते मामेव सेवन्ते ते एव एतां गुणमयीं मायां तरन्ति अन्ये न इति तत्र उक्तम्. So अतः, so what is Maya then? Maya is nothing but the power of God. It is nothing but Bhagavatah Maya. Prakritihi Bhagavatah Narayanasya Sri Krishnasya Maya Trigunatmika Vartati. Mayam tu Prakritim Vidhi Vidyatiti. So one should. And then Mayam tu Prakritim Vidyat Mayinam tu Maheshwaram. This is Shvetashvatara Upanishad. Mayam tu Prakritim Vidyat Mayinam tu Maheshwaram. We should consider Maya as the Prakriti, and the Mayinam, who is the Mayi, the owner, the creator of the Maya, he is the Parameshwar, Maheshwara. Okay, it is Shruti. Where are we? Srinivas? Sarvasha. Prakrutya Kriyamanani, Anushthiyamanani, Nirvartyamanani. Tatha over.
Start from the
कर्माणि सर्वप्रकारेण सर्वैः प्रकारैः अथवा प्रकृत्या. That is literal meaning here it is given. तथा एवं आत्मानं जीवं स्वं स्वीयं स्वं स्वम आत्मानं जीवम अकर्तारं कर्तृत्वरहितं. Then here the one interpretation, dehabhimanena eva deha abhimanena eva dehabhimanenaiva atmanah kartrutvam na swataha. Because we have so much attachment and with the body, we consider that we have done it. Dehabhimanena eva atmanah kartrutvam na swataha, not by himself. This is one interpretation. Okay, then you move. Akartaram. Pashyati. Saha. Manushya pashyati. Paramartha darshi. Vastutaha avalokayati nama saha. Pashyati nama saha eva paramartha darshi. He is the seer of the ultimate truth. भावार्थम पढ़ते श्रीनिवास.
यह मनुष्यः सर्वाणि अपि कर्माणि सर्वप्रकारेण प्रकृतिद्वारा एव
अनुष्ठीयमानानि पश्यति. Okay, you stop there. It's a big sentence. यह मनुष्यः, whichever man, सर्वाणि अपि, all the actions, कर्माणि, सर्वाणि अपि कर्माणि, all the actions, activities, सर्वप्रकारेण, by all means, प्रकृति द्वारा एव, only through the nature, अनुष्ठीयमानानि, being performed, done, executed, pashyati, when he finds, tata, then cha, and moreover yaha, and also one who atmanam, himself, arthat jivam kartrutva rahitam avalokayati. And when a man finds himself, his own self, as non-doer, saeva, he only, manushyaha, that person, man only, vastavikaha, real, drashta asti, seer asti. Drashta nama seer. He is the real seer. One who sees this, he is the real seer. I think English, he verily sees, who sees that all actions are done by Prakriti alone and that the Atman is action. Okay, fine. In simple terms, English is good. Anglam. इदानीं निदर्शनं कुर्मः श्रीनिवास. सन्धिः वृद्धिसन्धिः तथात्मानं सपश्यति सः पश्यति. समासः अकर्तारं. Firstly it is neither purusham, na karta akarta, akartam akartaram iti. Krudanta trayam prakrutya then prakruktin. So you get prakriti derived, I mean the derivation of the word ktin pratyaya kriyamanani kru iti yak iti pratyaya shanach pratyaya kriyamana, and then karmani in passive voice yak pratyaya. In karmani prayoga you had ya, karomi kriyate, kru I ya kriyate, etc. So that is yak pratyaya. And then akartaram, a iti, not a upasarga, it is a particle. Kru iti dhatu turuch pratyaya. Then akartru, kartru shabda prathamante akarta iti bhavati. Na karta akarta. If you take as nai samasa, it is not given. Given na karta akarta, it is given there above. Avadheyam, to be noted. What is to be noted here? Shanach pratyaya karmani prayoga. So how shanach pratyaya, that is, you remember? Shatru pratyayas are used only with parasmai pada dhatus. Parasmai padi dhatubihi shatru pratyaya eva prayujyati. Atmane pada dhatubihi sarvada shanach pratyaya prayujyati. So shanach is used only with atmanepada exclusively, whereas shatru, both are present active participles. Vartamana kale bhavataha shanachaha parasmayapadi dhatunam vishaye tatra prayogaha bhavati. गच्छ इति धातु अस्ति, गम्लु गच्छन्, परन्तु कृ इति धातुः उभयपदी अस्ति, करोति कुरुति। तत्र धातूनां त्रिविध रूपाणि भवन्ति खलु, परस्मैपदिनः, आत्मनेपदिनः, उभयपदिनः, स्मर्यते खलु। सो परस्मैपदिनः ये धातवः भवन्ति ते आत्मनेपदी धातुवत् न प्रवर्तन्ते, परन्तु तत्र केचन धातवः तादृशाः सन्ति ये उभयपदिनः वर्तन्ते। पच इति धातुः अस्ति, पचति इति प्रयोगः अस्ति, पचति इति, करोति कुरुते। अत्र कृ धातोः शानच् प्रत्ययान्तः कृतः। So we move Srinivas Abhyasa 17. Correction please. 17. Slokanusaram uchitena padena. Okay, you can do that filling.
प्रकृत्यैव च कर्माणि क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः यः पश्यति तथात्मानम् अकर्तारं
सः पश्यति. Slokat padani chitva. Okay, now you prathamanta padam pick up. No, sarvashah is avyaya, Srinivas. Yaha is prathamanta, yes. Prakrutihi. No, that is not prakrutya, that is trutiyanta.
No, first one, prakrutya.
That is prakrutya plus eva. Trutiya.
Pashyati.
Kriyamanani karmani. This is dvitiya. Karmani is there in prathama also. But this is dvitiya here in the context. What you said? Yaha is prathamanta. Saha is, that's all. Yaha, saha, both. Only yaha, saha, Srinivas. Yad shabdasya yaha, tat shabdasya saha. Kevalam etat padadvayameva prathamante. Okay, then you move on to dvitiyanta padam, second case. Karmani. Kriyamanani also. Then one more is there. Second line. Atmanam. Atmanam and one more. Akartaram. 4. Yes, 4 are given here. So karmani, kriyamanani, atmanam, kartaram. Sorry, akartaram. Okay, then avyaya padam. That you can. Tatha. Yeah, tatha is also there. Cha yaha, I'm sorry, cha eva tatha. Sarvashah. If you want, you can add, but only 3 are. Then pradattana padanam pratipadikam, the base form, crude form you should write. Like prakrutya iti padasya prakruti iti pratipadikam. Evameva karmani. No, karman. Karman shabda, nakaranta, napumsakaling, karman shabda. Karma, when you say it is derived, it becomes subanta. Karma, karmani, karmani. Prathama it becomes, you are right. Atmanam. Atman shabda, nakarantaha, pumlingaha, atman shabdaha. Akartaram. Akarturu. Kartru shabda. Akartru. Rukaranta. Akartru prathamayam akarta, akartaro, akartaraha, etc. Yaha. What is the pratipadika? Yaha. Yad. Dakarantaha. Pumlingaha. Yad shabdaha. If it is saha, tad. Then chaturtamshaha sandhim vichidya, break sandhi. Okay. Prakrutyaiva done. Sadaiva. Vruddhi sandhi. Sandhi name is Vruddhi. Tathaiva. Tatha plus eva Vruddhi again. Balikaisha. No. Balika esha. Balik a and a becoming I. Balikaisha. This is a girl. Meaning is, this is a girl. Balikaisha. Tathaiva means like that only. Sadaiva, you know, always. Prakrutyaiva already come in the poem. Then Malaika.
Mala
Eka. Mala, akaranta Srilinga Shabda, Eka. Malaika, punaha vruddhi sandhi. Malaika, only garland. Tathatmanam. It is Savarna coming. Mahatmanam. Atmanam. A plus A. Vidyalayaha, anybody will do. Purnadharaha. Purna is given. Vivekanandaha. Ananda. Yeah. A for Vriddhi, A for Savarna like. Anvayam Purayat. Now you can do it. Yahacha.
कर्माणि सर्वशः प्रकृत्या एव क्रियमाणानि तथा आत्मानं अकर्तारं पश्यति सः वस्तुतः
Pashyati. Uchita padena yojayata. Now this joining is there. You can try. Karmani karyani. That is one ga. Two prakrutya gha. That is gha. Mayaya. Prakrutya means, we have already noted that prakrutihi, we said maya. Prakrutihi bhagavato maya. Trigunatmika. Akartaram kartru rahitam nya. That is three gna. And then sarvashaha. Sarva prakarena kha. Panchami, I mean Panchamamshaha, not Panchami. Pashyati ka anubhavati. So Pashyati does not literally mean here seeing, but realizing. Seeing is realizing. I think not properly closed, right? Just close it properly. Saptamamshaha padaparichayam pradatta. So there are 5 parts here, Srinivas. 7th, Padaparichayam. Prakrutya. Ikarantah Srilingaha Trutiya Ekavachan. Right. Karmani. Dvitiya Bahuvachanam Athava Prathama Bahuvachanam. Prathama Bhavitum Arhati, Dvitiya api Bhavitum Arhati. Atmanam. द्वितीय एकवचनम. नकारांतः आत्मन शब्दः पुल्लिंगः द्वितीय एकवचनम. अकर्तारम. ऋकारांतः पुंलिंगः द्वितीय एकवचनम. तथा अव्ययम. तद्दितांतम अव्ययम. So we repeat it here. प्रकृत्या इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग तृतीय एकवचन. कर्माणि कर्मन शब्द नकारांत नपुंसकलिंग द्वितीय बहुवचन. आत्मानं नकारांतः पुंलिंगः द्वितीय एकवचन. अकर्तारं ऋकारांत लिंग द्वितीय. तथा अव्ययं तद्धितान्तम् अव्ययम्. एवं सम्पन्नः अयं श्लोकः 23तमः. इदानीं 24तमः श्लोकः पठ्यतां श्रीनिवास.
यदा भूतपृथग्भावम् एकस्थामनुपश्यति
तथैव च विस्तारं ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा. यदा भूत पृथक् भावम् एकस्थम् अनुपश्यति ततः एव च विस्तारं ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते इति. पदपरिचयं कुर्मः. यदा भूत पृथक् भावम् एकस्थम् अनुपश्यति ततः एव अव्ययं विस्तारं ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते. सदा तदा आकांक्षां मनुष्यः अनुपश्यति. मनुष्यः अनुपश्यति नाम सीज पश्यति, ऑब्जर्व्स. Srinivas, Manushaha kam pashyati, what does man see? Bhuta Prutak Bhavam, the whole difference of living beings, the lot, difference lot. That is to, I will explain later. There is a, the entire variety of living beings, Bhuta Prutak Bhavam, he finds. Then Bhuta Prutak Bhavam Katham Bhutam Pashyati, how does he find the difference of various living beings? He finds the whole difference in one place, ekastham, in one place, ekastham. That is situated in one place. What is that will come? Punascha kim pashyati anupashyati, and what else does he see? He finds the vistaram, spreading of it also. Spread of it, vistaram. Kasmat vistaram anupashyati, from what does he see that spreading of? He finds the spreading of it also from one point of nature. Ekasthat, from one place, one point. Sampadyati means prapnoti, adhigachyati, labhati. Means gets it. He gets it, he obtains it. Saha kim sampadyate, what does he get? Saha Brahma sampadyate. He gets, he obtains Brahma labhati. He gets Brahma, the ultimate. Saha kada Brahma sampadyate, when does he get Brahma? Later, I think Vyutpatti is given, Brahma Shabdasya, not given here. Brumhanat Brahma. Brahma is called because of Brumhana. Brumhana means expansion. Is expanded means imminent, is in everything. That is why we say Sarvantaryami. Sarvantaryami, Sarvavyapi, that is Brahma Tattva. So, Yada, when Saha Manushaha Bhuta Prutak Bhavam, the difference of the living beings, ekastham, situated in one place, anupashyati, sees, tataha, thereafter eva only, vistaram cha anupashyati, he also finds the expansion of the same from that point of thing, and then tada, then Saha Brahma Sampadi, then he gets the Brahma, the ultimate reality Brahma. Anvayartham, Srinivas.
यदा मनुष्यः भूतपृथग्भावम् एकस्थं ततः एव च विस्तारम् अनुपश्यति तदा सः ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते.
Yada Manushyaha, when man Bhuta Pruthak Bhavam, the difference, the variegatedness of the human, living beings, ekastham, situated in one place, sees, tataha eva, from there only, vistaram anupashyati, he finds the difference also. Tada, then Saha Brahma Sampadyati, he gets Brahma, or the ultimate reality. Brahma is birthing ultimate reality. Padartham Pashyama, Srinivas, Yada
Yasmin Samaye
Bhuta Prutak Bhavam.
Pradinam Prutak Akaran.
Now, Bhuta Prutak Bhavam is explained, Bhutanam Prutak Bhavam. Bhutanam means Deva Manavadinam. Prutak Bhavam, Tattad Akaragatam. Devanam, Manushanam, Rakshasanam, Jantunam, Tattad Akaragatam, Devatva, Manavatva, Dirgatva, Hrasvatva, Adi Rupa, Parthakyam. The difference, variety is in the form of gods, demons, men, animals, and etc., and difference in shapes also. Dirgatvam, some are very big, long, some are very short, some are bruhat, very large, like elephants, some are very small, then microbes are there. So that is the difference. Some are visible, some are invisible, which are not there. So Devatva, Manavatva, Dirgatva, Rasvatva, Adi Rupa, Parthakyam, this is the difference, Rupa Parthakyam, difference in forms. Ekastam Prakrutigatam, when man sees all these differences in human beings in shape, physical shape, and difference in the species in one place, Prakriti. Prakritistam ekastam yada pashyati, Prakriti gatam eva pralaye anupashyati. And also when he sees the same thing at the dissolution, Prakrutitaha eva sarge tesham devatvadinam vistaram cha pashyati. Then he finds the expansion of the evolution of gods and others also through the Prakriti, same Prakriti. Natu atmastam, not in himself, natu atmastam, tat prutak bhavam. That is called the variety. What is variety means? Variety of living beings depending on size, also physical size, and species. When he sees for all these things, the source has the Prakriti. It is the source for the evolution, dissolution. When man realizes that, then he realizes God. Because Prakriti is nothing but the gateway of God only. It is his own creation, isn't it? One who understands the nature, understands the God. So, Prakriti bhavam cha, atmanah tad vistaram cha. Yada, then one more interpretation. Yada bhutanam sthavar jangamanam prutak bhavam. One more interpretation, Vishwanatha. When sthavara jangamanam, moving and non-moving difference between living being, tat akarakatam partakyam ekastam ekasyam prakrutau eva sthitam pralayakale anupashyati alokayati tatah prakrutihi sakshadeva bhutanam vistaram srushti samaye anupashyati tada brahma sampadyate brahmaiva bhavati iti artaha. That means once a man realizes the emanation, the evolution as well as the dissolution of all the living beings from the one source, that is the nature, then he understands God and then he becomes God himself. That is. So much is said about this Bhuta Prutak Bhavam, Srinivas. Then
Ekastham ekasminneva
Swarupe, resting in one form. Tataha eva ekasmat swarupadeva vistaram bhedadi vikasam. Vistaram means vikasam, the expansion. Anupashyati tada tasmin samaye brahma paramatma, that is paramatmanam sampadyati, some labati, that is what. So this is the padartha bhavartham patati.
यस्मिन् समये मनुष्यः प्राणिनां भिन्नान् भिन्नान् आकारान् एकस्मिन् आकारे अनुभवति.
Okay, when man, yasmin samaye, at a point of time when man sees the different shapes of living beings in one ekasmin akare, in one place, in one form.
तस्मात् एकस्मात् रूपात् एव सर्वेषां विस्तारं च अनुभवति.
From that one form only he experiences the expansion of all the living beings. That time he attains to Brahmahood, Brahma Tattva, reality. I think when he realizes the whole variety of beings as resting in one place and he says evolution from that one alone, then he, okay, good. Nidarsanam Pashyama Vyakarnam Sandhihi Bhuta Prutak Bhavam Jashtva Jhalam Jash Tata Eva Visargas Samasadvayam Bhuta Prutak Bhavam Shashti Tatpurusha Tam Ekastham Tatpurusha Ekasmin tisthati iti ekastha tasmin. So that is how tam ekastham krudantaha chatvaraha bhuta kta bhavam bhughai vistaram vi upasarga, again vistaram brahma brahma actually. The Anuswara is not there. Bruha is there. There. Brumha manin iti pratyaya. Then you get Brahman. Brumha literally means, Srinivas, to grow, to expand. That is the meaning. There is another meaning also, roar, but we don't. Maybe in nature, if you sit quietly, you will hear. If you go to a very quiet place, you may hear some sound in the Akasha. That is the tattva of Akasha also. Shabdaha, Ke Shabdaha. There is one. Akasha is sound. But here, Brahmana means growing. That tattva, Brahma tattva is that it grows, it expands in every direction. That is. So, Brahmanat Brahma iti utpatti. Tadidanta trayam yada da tataha tasil tada tad da. I think now abhyasas coming. 18th correction there, not 19th, 18th. Now you can do that slokanusaram.
Yada bhuta prutak bhavam ekastham anupashyati tata eva vistaram brahma sampadyate tada.
Slokat padani. Now you can select this. Avyaya padani.
Yada.
Trini. Tataha. Tataha.
Eva.
That's all. Ek. Yada. Tataha.
Eva.
Sorry. Yes. Trini avyaya padani. Kriya dvitiyantam padam. Chatvari padani. Second case.
Ekastham.
Bhuta pratak bhavam. Even.
No, bhavam.
Bhuta pratak bhavam 1.
Ekastham 2. Vistaram.
Vistaram 2.
Ekastham.
Ekastham dvitiya. That's it. Okay. Then 4 is asking. Brahma. Brahma Shabda is dvitiya. Brahma Brahmani. Brahmani, Brahma, Brahmani, Brahmani. So Brahman Shabda is also dvitiya.
Brahma, Prutak Bhavam, Ekastham, Vistaram.
Vistaram. Chatvari, dvitiyanta padani. Kriya padani, dve. Only 2.
Pashyati.
Anupashyati.
Anupashyati. Then Sampadyate.
Sampadyati. Yes. Anupashyati, Sampadyati. Anupashyati, Sampadyati. तृतीय अंश प्रदत्तानां पदानां प्रातिपदिकम्. ओके, बेस फॉर्म्स यू हैव टू राइट. भूत पृथक भावम.
प्राणिनां पृथक आकारान्.
नो, प्रातिपदिक इज आस्किंग. सो इट विल बी भूत पृथक्त्वम. भूत पृथक्त्वम. तस्य भावः भूत पृथक भावः तम भावम. The base is what is given in samasa? Bhutanam prutak bhavaha. Is there na? Is equal to bhuta prutak bhavaha. Or you can take bhuta prutak bhava as the pratipadika. Okay, then Brahma, Brahman, pratipadika Brahman Shabda. Vistara, the Vistru Shabda is there, Vistara. Or Vistara Shabda, because Vistara, Akaranta. Vistara is Akaranta, therefore Vistara, or if you go to the root level, Vistru, Vistara. Vistara you can take Srinivas. Because Pratipadika is asking, na, Vistara. Ekastham, Ekastha. So we will just repeat this, Srinivas. Bhuta Prutak Bhava Brahman Vistara Ekastha iti etani chatvari api Pratipadika padani santi. Chaturthamsha sandhim, again vichedya likata. Prutak bhavam, prutak plus bhavam done. Vagdanam.
Vak plus Dana.
This is also all are Jastva sandhis. Then Sragdhara,
Srak plus
Dhara, Sragdhara. Then Vagishaha, Vak,
Isha.
Vak plus Isha.
This is
Which one?
just one.
All three are just. Where Ka is becoming Ga, that is, what is the change? If you see phonetically, Kavarga, first letter. Ka, Kha, Ga. See the everywhere. Putak Ka, Vak Ga, Srak Ka becoming Ga. So that is called Jash. Then what is coming up? Sadbhavaha.
Given Sat plus Bhava.
Sat plus Bhava. So what is happening here?
Becoming the.
Da again. Again, Ta is Prathamakshara, Trutiyakshara. Da is Trutiyakshara. Sadbhava. You know, I think sometimes I feel Sanskrit is such a language, it's easy to say Sadbhava than Sat Bhava. It takes time. Sat Bhava, if you measure the time, it is more. Sat Bhava is fast, convenient. So automatically the tongue, when the mind adjusts itself, as a result you have this Sandhi. Sandhi is nothing but the accommodation of the mind. I feel, this is my interpretation, not given by Panini or anybody. I don't know. Then Sadachara, Sat plus Achara. Similarly, Sadachara is very convenient. Yadekam, Yat plus Ekam. Mahadasti, Mahat plus Asti. Everywhere you see Ta is becoming Da. Shadanana, Shat. Now here Tavarga, first letter. Ta, Ta, Da. Shat Anana, Shadanana. Shadeva, Shadeva. Shadashitihi, Ashitihi. Shat means 6, Ashiti means 80. 80. 68. Shadashitihi means 68. So Shadashitihi. So evam sandayah sampannaha panchamamshaha अन्वयं पूरयति.
यदा मनुष्यः भूतपृथग्भावम् एकस्थं ततः एव च विस्तारम् अनुपश्यति तदा सः ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते.
यः अन्वयः पुस्तके तत्र दत्तः अस्ति तम् अन्वयं स्वीकृत्य अत्र लिखन्तु कृपया. अन्तिमांशः षष्ठांशः उचितपदेन योजनम्. ओके, ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते गिवन. पृथग्भावं भूतानाम. No, just matching. पृथक भावम भूतानाम ततः एव. I think the meaning of this is tada. No? Tata eva means tada, then only. Ekastam anupashyati. Yada vistaram. That's all. So repeat, Srinivas. Prutak bhavam is ka. Tata eva gha. Ekastam kha. Yada nga. No, evam. Slokaha अनुबंध संबंधी अभ्यासः अपि सुसंपन्नः. इदानीं श्लोक संख्या 25तमः, गीतायां तु 31तमः. पठ्यतां श्रीनिवास.
अनादित्वान् निर्गुणत्वात् परमात्मायमव्ययः
शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय न लिप्यते. अनादि पद परिचयं करोमि. पदच्छेदम्. अनादित्वात् निर्गुणत्वात् परमात्मा अयम् अव्ययः. शरीरस्थः अपि कौन्तेय न करोति न लिप्यते. कीदृशः अयम् आत्मा. शरीरस्थोपि न लिप्यते न सज्जते न रक्तः भवति इति पदपरिचयं कुर्मः. अनादित्वात् अकारान्त निर्गुणत्वात् परमात्मा
परमात्मन शब्द नकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचन समस्त पदम
अयम
इदं शब्द
मकारांत
सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचन
अव्ययः
नकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचन समस्त पदम.
now this is usually this is not अव्यय पदम, this is विशेषण. अव्यय शब्दः अत्र विशेषणत्वेन प्रयुक्तः न तु अव्यय रूपेण. शरीरस्थः अपि अव्ययम, दिस इज अव्यय. कौन्तेय एकवचनं न अव्ययम. करोति न लिप्यते. लिप लिप इति धातुः. It is bhave also, karmani also. Why bhave should be taken? Bhave prayog also lipyate, karmani prayog also lipyate. Atmane pada lat prathama purusha ekavachana. We should take both here. Lipa, limpati. Vartamana kale limpati. Limpati means lepanam, smearing. Yeah, lepanam. Lepanam comes from this. Akanksham kartum shakyate idan. Samaya asti kar. Kaunteya karma na karoti. O Kaunteya, Kunti Putra, karma na karoti, doesn't do any action, perform any action. Kaha karma na karoti, who does not perform the action? Paramatma karma na karoti. Paramatma karma na karoti. The super soul does not perform any action. Kaha Paramatma na karoti, which Paramatma does not do? This Paramatma does not do. Kidrusha ayam Paramatma na karoti. What type of this Paramatma, super soul, does not perform? Ayam Paramatma yaha avyayaha vartate saha kimapi karma na karoti. This Paramatma who is indestructible. Na vyeti. Yaha na vyeti. Saha Paramatma. Atma vyeti va pashyama. Kasmat karanat ayam avyaya. For what reason is indestructible? Anaditvat. Because he has no beginning. When a thing is born, it has an end. We discussed in last class. Jatasya dhruvo mrutyuhu. People all believe in that. We said Dhruvam Janma Mrutasya cha is debatable for the word. So Anaditvat na adihi anadihi tasya bhava anaditvam anaditvat tasmat anaditvat. Because Paramatma has no adi, no anta. That. So that is over. Punascha kasmat karanat ayam avyaya. Again, for what reason is avyaya indestructible? Nirgunatvat, gunarahityat. Tatra asmin paramatmani gunahana vidyanti. Gunarahitaha nirgunatvat ayam avyayaha. Because of this is avyaya. Katham bhutaha abhi ayam avyayaha paramatma na karoti. Like what this Paramatma, this indestructible Paramatma does not do. I mean, situated where? Katham bhutaha, kutrastha. Sharirastha api. Sharirastha api sharire tishtannapi. Sharire bhutanam sharireshu tishtannapi. Ayam Paramatma na kimapi karyam karoti. Kevalam sakshi ayam. Dvasuparna, you must have Taittiriya Upanishad. Dvasuparna sayuja sakayau samanam vriksham parishajvajate iti. Sloka mantra vartate tatra. Mantraha. So, asmin dehe pratyekam dehe tatra pratyekasmin pratyekam purushasya dehe tatra pakshidvayam nivasati. Ekah pakshi asti Paramatma. अन्यः पक्षी जीवात्मा. जीवात्मा खादन वर्तते फलानि कर्म फलानि. परमात्मा केवलं तत्र साक्षी रूपेण तिष्ठति. कर्म न करोति, जीवात्मा कार्यं कर्माणि करोति, परमात्मा कर्म अन्वेष तत्र निरीक्षणं करोति, कीदृशं कर्म करोति अयम् इति तत्र केवलम् अवलोकयति परमात्मा, साक्षी भवति, पश्यति। पुनश्च अगेन अयम अव्ययः, दिस इंडिस्ट्रक्टेबल शरीरस्थः सिचुएटेड इन द बॉडी, अपि किम न भवति, एंड व्हाट एल्स डज ही नॉट डू?
अयम अव्ययः शरीरस्थः अपि न लिप्यते।
Though he is indestructible and situated in the body, he is not lipyate, he is not tainted. He is not tainted by any sin. One may argue, he is there now in the body, so he must be also like us, tainted. We get tainted by doing papa, but he does not. Then there is no meaning to avyaya.
Both papa and punya.
Papa and punya. Papa, punya don't touch him. So I think here we stop, Srinivas. Shubham Bhuya.